Ladies and gentlemen, may I greet you in the name of our Cinema for Peace Foundation. We've been honoring Aimé Césaire as a filmmaker. What many people don't know, Aimé Césaire has produced or directed more than 20 films and brought them together, had a discussion together, and we called Durkheim as one of the most valuable films of the year. And on this occasion, actually decided to host a special.
To emergency brain surgery. On Twitter, he posted his belief that this was the result of the police beating.
Today unleashed a violent crackdown on Catalans trying to vote for independence.
Las empresas se van, no se irá ninguna se irá.
Prisión sin fianza para Jordi Sánchez y Jordi Cuixart, los presidentes de la Asamblea Nacional Catalana y de Òmnium Cultural.
Se celebrarán elecciones autonómicas en esa comunidad autónoma.
Pero atención, el independentismo mantiene la mayoría absoluta. Es un grandísimo resultado.
And I would ask each of you, what does it feel like to be in prison, to be hunted, and to have those biggest, most allied against you? Does it cause you to break down? Does it cause you to cry?